I congratulate Mary's Mercy Center on bringing on board Mary's Village. It will truly enable us to address the male homeless population. We must be able to provide the wraparound services that bring about the long-term healing and reduction of the recidivism rate that we experience so many times in our male population.
What Mary's Village will offer will be a safe place, a safe environment to get them their GED or get them some skill. It'll also be a sense of building community, shelter. It takes a city to get the homeless healed and back into society.
I'm so glad that Mary's Mercy Center is a service provider in our community. It's really hopeful to hear some of the stories regarding the changed lives in our community. So I salute Mary's Mercy Center.
There's a lot of friendship here. There's a lot of people that I've come to know here, and it's a good place to be. There is love here.
There's just a little bright light here that makes you feel good. And I started to volunteer, give back, because I'm grateful, for everything they've done, for the way they've treated me, and simply just gratitude.
Mary's Village is going to be an enormous undertaking, and the tribe has formulated a strategy and a plan to help Mary's Village come to fruition. Veronica's house, which is a project of Mary's Mercy Center, was one that we supported because it took homeless women and their children off the streets and gave them a place to live. It's important for us to be good stewards of our community so that we assist any people who might need a hand up, not necessarily just a handout, but a hand up. It just helps the community overall establish stability and sustainability.
San Manuel, a band of Mission Indians, have been with us basically from the beginning. We got grants from them. They have an understanding of the vision, which is a very affirming thing. It's very good to know that someone is on board with you, and they definitely have been on board. Without them, it wouldn't be possible.
Mary's Mercy Center is critical in the overall addressing of our homeless population. It sits in the heart of the city of San Bernardino, where we know we have a high homeless population. And it is with organizations like Mary's Mercy Center that we truly are going to be able to address and, with God's grace, prevent homelessness.